Hello guys. So, um, this is our house. I spruced it up a little bit, but we also moved it, but fucking plants won't grow. Oh yeah, guys, this is my episode 2. I lost my other episode 2. So this is my new episode. We have a lot of stuff, sorry, but that's when but that's when I lost all my stuff, so this is why you guys don't remember me doing this, is because I lost my episode 2. Alright, well, I hope you guys will forgive me. I didn't mean to lose it. Well, let's just explore while we have the time, because episode 3, later on, I need my episode 2, don't I? Please like and subscribe. I need those subscribers and likes. I am lonely out here. She was slain by a zombie. Dolphins. I love dolphins, but dolphins aren't a big fan of me. Do you guys know the song I'm listening to? If you do, put it down in the comments. I have to listen to that every day. Put it down in the comments. Now I want to make a new boat. Oh yeah, I went to this village and said bye bye. Well, if you know this song, then put it down in the comments, and if you don't, well, yes, I guess. But if you're not allowed to listen to this music, but this is a little bit like, I'm not usually this low of, like, I'm more of rap and everything, and this is not rap. That part. If you guys want us to make another Minecraft series, tell us. Bye. Bye.